Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I will show you how to make text bigger on Android so you can read everything on your screen with ease. This simple adjustment is a lifesaver for your eyes. So now, let's get started. Step 1, go to Settings on your device by tapping the gear icon found in your app drawer or by pulling down the notification shade. This menu is where you control every aspect of your phone, and it is the necessary first step to accessing your visual preferences. Step 2, tap on Display and Brightness to open the submenu that manages how your screen looks and behaves. This section is vital because it houses all the tools for screen light, color themes, and the overall layout of your user interface. Step 3, click on Font Size to reach the specific configuration page where the text dimensions are controlled. Depending on your specific Android model, this might also be labeled as display size or text size, and it is located right in the middle of the display list. Step 4, adjust font size to make text bigger by dragging the slider at the bottom of the screen to the right. As you move the slider, the preview text will change immediately so you can find the perfect level of comfort before you exit the menu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.